Even as Lok Sabha debates Manipur and the focus is firmly on women and children who have suffered in this violence, data of the Manipur police seems to suggest that out of the 6,500 plus FIRs that have been registered, 3 are that of rape and 1 alleges gang rape. There are 15 cases of outraging modesty of women. The data has been shared by the Manipur police with the Supreme Court. Top officials who spoke to CNN News 18 also confirmed that in the probe, in 3 cases, 1 case where 2 Kuki women were stripped, paraded and subsequently gang raped. Police officials say they have found some evidence to establish the allegations of rape, and they are going ahead with taking the 164 statement of one of the survivors to prove their case. They've already arrested the prime accused and the accomplices. It was a mob of close to 1,000 people. That case has subsequently gone to CBI and CBI is now moving ahead with its probe in that particular matter. They are seeking custody and interrogating all the accused whom the Manipur police arrested. The second case was that of the Imphal car wash, where 2 Kuki women were allegedly confined in a room which was behind that car wash and they were tortured for hours together. Their dead bodies were subsequently found and even the employer, the eyewitness said that their screams were heard for hours together, post which the family had alleged that the 2 girls were raped and the torture that continued was inclusive of rape and sexual assault. But in that case, police says that both medical and forensic examination has not thrown up evidence yet, but probe is on. The third case where rape was alleged is that of one woman who said that she was in hiding for a long time and subsequently she had gone to an ATM to withdraw some money when she was kidnapped and then taken in various vehicles to more than one location, and she also alleged rape. She said that she was finally saved as she rolled off a hill. In this particular case also, police says that even though the FIR under sections of rape 376 has been registered, the search for the right evidence is on. So far, evidence has not established rape as yet. Gang rape in one case is what Manipur police has also informed the Supreme Court. If you see the Kuki viral video case, there is a mob which is seen assaulting the woman. So that case the police has mentioned. But what are these 6,500 plus cases then? Essentially, these are cases of murder, and data has been shared about how from May, 3rd of May up until August, how the number has gone down drastically. CNN News 18 has managed to put together the number of murder cases that have happened. And on 3rd of May, when violence began, the number that have been given by Manipur police is close to 107. So in May, 107 people died. The number fell to 38 in June. In July, it was only 17. And in August, on 3rd of August, when violence broke out again, 6 people lost their lives. So the case being made by Manipur police is that it is a downward spiral as far as murder cases are concerned. So what are the bulk of these cases? The bulk of the 6,500 plus cases are that of loot, arson, theft, burning down houses, destroying places of religious worship, and these are cases where either CCTV footage is being scrutinized, or if there are any eyewitnesses, they will be spoken to. So the entire Supreme Court focus, when it looked at this data from Manipur police and it spoke, the DGP was summoned as well, the AG, the SG were present in the courtroom. So the Supreme Court took into account what the bulk of these cases are, and based on that, I think probe is proceeding under the supervision of senior officers, some of whom are from outside the state. CBI is looking at these probes as well. Plus, there is supervision from 3 retired High Court judges and 1 retired top cop from Maharashtra. So more or less, this is the bulk of the case, but the Manipur top officials are trying to impress upon everyone, including the Supreme Court and the centre, that the situation as it existed in May and as it exists in August is widely different. Yes, there are sporadic incidents of violence, but top cops say that the situation is definitely improving. This, even as opposition members inside Parliament try to gherao the government and put the onus on them for complete failure of law and order in the state of Manipur, ask questions about what impact this will have on national security, since Manipur is a border state, and also about what the Prime Minister wants to do about the continuance of N. Biren Singh, the Chief Minister. So while politics is going on, police seems confident of bringing the situation back to normalcy, even if it is limping at it.